Turn it off.
Look here, guys. We have a special treat, and we also have a special guest. This is my boy Gabe. Gabe, say what's up.
Was good.
Was good. All right, so today we're gonna be using the big boys. All right, I haven't used these truck yet, so I don't know the limits. There's a lot of modifications you can do to this thing, so we're gonna be exploring the map and seeing what this truck can't do.
What?
Yeah, I got everything locked in. Okay. I'm slowing down.
Why's your
Ow.
I don't know what happened. Your like tires look weird. Okay, there we go. They fixed.
Okay, look. So you see this hill to my right, dude?
Yeah.
I want you to go up it, bro. Just go up.
You want me to go up it?
Yeah, go up this beautiful
I'm in
hill.
neutral. Don't look at that.
The turning radius on this thing sucks. So mind that.
This thing is very.
Oh. You really don't have to put much power into it, bro.
You really?
Oh my god.
Help.
You might be fudged there, buddy.
Help.
Yeah, how about you respawn?
I forgot how. Oh, there we go. I'm in neutral again. Don't look at it.
I'm gonna go ahead and get up this hill.
Okay, hold on. we're gonna do something super smart here.
All right.
Deflate them things, right? So I'm not so bouncy, okay? I'm still bouncy.
Really, bro? You just gotta put little throttle to the pedal, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I would avoid rocks on this truck at all costs.
I think I made it. I'm kissing the tree. Does that count? Oh, I gotta get where you're at?
Yeah. Alright, so this one's gonna be a lot more difficult because we're gonna go down to the right just a little bit and then all the way up the hill.
I'm turning up my tires real quick. I didn't hear what you said. I'm sorry.
Just follow where I'm going. And look,
Follow where you're going.
Bro, you gotta be super patient down that hill or you're gonna flip. Set your spawn point right there.
Ooh, good call. Oh, my days.
just
Listen, I'm dyslexic.
Just use Shift C, bro. Nice and easy.
Oh my.
No. Oh man. It's alright, we gotta spawn. Alright, this thing is very top heavy, man.
Oh, I spawned on the wrong side.
No, you're good. Just climb up there. Now, the key thing with this truck is you wanna basically get up there. You'll have a better chance.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna reset my spawn point right there.
Okay,
and
so
we're
now
gonna
you wanna start heading right after this rock, but you wanna go super slow.
Bro,
Don't go all the way down. That's to the left. You gotta go right more.
I gotta go right more?
Yes. But don't go all the way down. Oh!
I don't know what happened there.
Alright, now this part's a little difficult because the hill kind of slopes down as the more.
Might have broken something.
You're hitting the on my screen your wheels are broken.
Yeah, they're broken. They're broken.
I want you to experience this because it's just so awesome. All right, I want you to go up that concrete slab. Okay, okay. When you were, there you go.
No way. No way.
Bro, this thing's fudging crazy, dude. All right, for the chat, I'm gonna show you what that looks like.
Oh my days.
See. Ah! All right, Gabe, follow me.
Oh my. What are you getting me into?
Hey, bro, this is the same thing I did. All right. All right. For those
Okay.
who want to see, we're gonna engage these, deflate ourselves just a tad, right there, and now we're just gonna idle. We're just gonna idle. We're gonna let the truck do all the work. This thing is not going very far up this thing. With some assistance.
Oh my gosh.
With some assistance, it'll make anything possible. Get up here, bro. You're gonna have to go at it like I did.
Brother.
You got this, bro. Yes! Alright.
Easy money. Watch your left.
Oh my god! You like to spawn really high up.
I wasn't even high up. I was 6 inches off the ground.
That's a lot for this truck, dude.
Bro.
Alright, so now you're gonna do what I do. So stay there.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll tell you when to come down.
We're going reverse. Oh.
Well, I'm gonna show you what this thing can do. Alright, so we're gonna start right here, chat. Alright, now we're gonna put it in idle mode and see if it can go up. Not touching the controller. Just steering it. Just steering it.
You're just steering it?
I'm just steering it.
Bro, ain't no way.
Well, I have it on camera, dude. Alright, now you gotta do that.
Bro, that is wild. That is actually wild. Okay, drive. Locking it in. Full auto mode.
You just put your parking brake on.
Oh, there we go. That would be it. Oh my days.
Looks like we're having a
This
rough
is
start.
insane.
Alright, go ahead and follow me.
Just idle, no, nothing.
It sounds pretty good, too.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised on how well they did.
Alright, now we're gonna go down facing forward. Alright, Gabe, you get to choose left or right.
Always right.
Alright. Okay. You good back there, buddy?
Oh, I'm chilling. I'm just letting the truck pull me, dog.
You got the idle on?
Oh yeah.
My boy's taking advantage. Alright.
I'm finna turn it off though because I slammed it to the back of you.
Did you? I didn't even feel it.
Yeah. Well, not like slam, but
Here's some sharp. Oh! Hit a front tire, backing up.
Oh.
Ooh, looks like we got some axle damage there, buddy.
You got damage?
Yeah,
I got
I
nothing, dog.
I hit a tree too damn hard with my front right
Bruh.
tire. I'm gonna go ahead and set my spawn point right here quick. Oh, you just set your spawn point. What happened?
I set spawn point same way you set yours.
We're gonna spawn inside of each other.
Yeah.
Bro, seeing the suspension travel, bro, is so majestic. Alright, left or right?
Always right.
Alright. Get it? Oh! Gabe, help me!
Oh my. Think Jimmy might have fallen. Not positive. Need some assistance down there?
Yeah, I do.
I'll help you, buddy.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Ooh, I remember this hill.
Do you want to do the honors and go first?
I will do the honors.
All right, I'm your passenger princess, bro. So don't fail me.
Let's see what we got going on here.
Great start here. I'm liking it.
Great start. Great.
I'm feeling really safe.
Trying to think. Should I? Oh yeah, we should. Okay.
It's honestly very impressive how far it goes up. All right, bring her back down.
We're going back down. Oh.
You're missing 2 wheels. 1 wheel.
Am I?
You're missing a wheel.
Interesting.
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna make it up. Well, let's try and lower the tire pressure here. All right. You ready there, Gaby?
Yeah.
Are you my passenger princess for today?
Let me figure out how to enter your vehicle real quick.
Press tab, and then press C 3 times.
Wait. Tab. C 3 times. Okay. Passenger princess.
All right, here we go.
You want me to dial some things for you?
Yeah, dial some things, make some things work.
Yeah. Let's not. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I just don't think it's gonna work.
Oh. All right.
I mean, we can try like a head start, but it's still hard to do that. Here, you give it another try. It's hard to do that when there's a bump in the way, you know?
It's hard to do that. I think I know exactly what I need to do.
Oh
I
yeah?
think I know exactly what I need to do. Are you ready? We're gonna come in here. We're gonna press this on, right? We're going to do that, right?
Oh, we're idling.
We're gonna do that. And you know what? I think we should be good with that. All right.
Very interesting. Oh my god.
So I think my plan might have failed. All right.
Alright, now we're gonna see how this thing handles. Water, baby, water.
Water.
A little too aggressive. Alright.
Like it's nothing.
Yeah, literally.
What do we? What do we, princess? Oh, looks like your wheel's a little messed up there.
That's fine. Ugh. You still behind me there, buddy?
Yep.
Very nice, very nice.
It's looking like you're a little messed up.
Ah, fine. I think you're just lagging.
Okay, I can see you. I literally I can see you. Like, buddy, you're not wearing your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt on, dog.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Here, I think you dropped something. I'm bringing it to you.
I'm gonna set my spawn point
and I
right
lost
here. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow, Gabe. That's awesome.
Yo, I didn't even hear you spawning right there. Alright.
Alright, take this one a little slow. There's a bunch of rocks. There might be rocks. I'm not positive.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you have to do a little reverse heat. Oh, we're good. Turn, turn. Yeah, perfect. Yep. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the airstrip and we're gonna go head to head.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, I'm here.
Going to the far end. Go all the way back to the trees. Okay, I'm here.
Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh man. Looks like I'm gonna get to you next week, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Buddy, where's my engine?
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, let's go.
How about a nice big cup of shut the fuck up? Will, that one's for you.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, next and final test is going to be this long and dreadful trail. Here we go.
Oh. Ooh, I didn't know. I thought we were going straight. That's all me. Ooh, hello, Wog.
Prepare to reverse.
Oh!
Bro!
What kind of warning is that,
Whoa.
dude?
Okay, first of all, you have full vision in front of you. All right, that's on you,
Not
not
true.
me. Yes.
Not true.
Yes.
Not true.
Yes,
I can't
true.
See over. I can't see over the steering wheel, bro. I'm 4 foot tall.
Oh my
Like,
god!
give me a booster.
I hope your truck flips right there.
Bro, that's so hateful. It's down here. Can't see.
I can't see either.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I've lost a mirror. Oh. Dog.
Yo, set your spawn point, bro. Everything is off of the chassis, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright, here we go. Here
Bro,
we
I
go.
kept going. I'm like, okay, there's a piece of Jimmy. There's another piece of Jimmy.
See, you. Oh. Wait, back up.
You said
Back
what?
up. If you fall off that cliff, bro, you're gay.
I think I'll survive.
You think you'll survive? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Backing up. We're good. We're good. We're good.
I can't see.
Can we get a max ammo in the chat?
Backing up. Oh, there's nobody behind me. I think I'm stuck. Nope. I got it.
It sounds like your truck is farting, dude.
Not the truck. Shit, bricks over here, dog. Oh.
Alright, this is gonna be a little difficult. I'm not gonna lie. Stay to the left a little bit.
Yeah, I think I know that. Well, not really, but I'm trying. Okay. Woo! Oh! Nice.
Oh! Oh!
Okay. Jimmy, where are you?
Jimmy has fallen.
Jimmy? Oh, Jimmy. Oh,
Jimmy
my
has
God.
fainted.
Oh, here we go.
But this is really hard in first person, but
Uh-oh, this is an impossible turn right here, Gabe. We might have to do Shift C.
hold on, let me go to third. Actually, I'm not gonna go to third. I'm gonna go to hood view.
Oh, I was able to do it. Nice.
You just gotta whip that thing, bro.
Yeah,
Don't whip it.
Don't do that.
I'm idling off the cliff. Okay. Okay. We're good.
Oh my god! Full speed ahead!
Okay.
Oh wait, I think I found it! Time out! Gabe, time out! Gabe,
What?
Gabe,
Oh
time
my god!